Welcome to Lesson 2 of Module 1 in Database Management Essentials, the first course in the Data Warehousing for Business Intelligence specialization. This lesson provides an overview of the topics, assessments, and software requirements. You should reflect on this lesson as you work through the details of this course. Through this lesson, you should understand the nature of the topics and assessments, as well as the specific software requirements. The course topics are focused on important skills and artifacts that you will manipulate. In the first part of the course, you will create tables in a relational database and define integrity rules for the tables. In the second part of the course, you will write statements in a database language to retrieve data from a relational database. You will learn to apply the query formulation process to transform an unstructured problem statement into a database language statement. In the third and fourth parts of the course, you will learn about data modeling, an important skill to develop a business database. In Part 3, you will focus on understanding the notation of the entity relationship diagram. In Part 4, you will create entity relationship diagrams to represent the data requirements of a business situation. In Part 5, you will learn to refine an entity relationship diagram into a table design without excessive redundancy. This diagram indicates more topic detail in the flow of topics. The course is organized into modules, with typically 2 modules per major topic. The first module of a topic usually introduces the basic concepts, and the second module provides more detail, especially with problem solving. You can keep this diagram in mind as you work through the details of the course so that you maintain perspective on your progress. As a rough guideline, I suggest that you try to complete 2 modules per week, except for the first week with 3 modules. Material in modules 1 and 2 are background without the details and problem-solving skills required in other modules. This completion guideline is only suggested. You may want to spend more or less time on each major topic according to your learning style and time availability. Since the course is problem and skill-oriented, the major assessments will come from problem sets. For most modules, you will have graded problems that involve the artifacts and skills emphasized in the module. A peer assessment will be used to evaluate your performance on each set of graded problems. To prepare you for the graded problems, most modules will have ungraded practice problems. You will have the opportunity to work practice problems and then review solutions and comments about the solutions. Some video lectures cover highlights of the important practice problems. Most video lectures will also have in-video quizzes to help focus your learning while watching video lectures. Most of your learning in this course will come through your work on problem sets, both ungraded and graded. The course has 4 major collections of problem sets, typically divided into 2 parts for each module associated with a major topic. The problem sets, graded and ungraded, for the first module of a major topic will involve basic problems. The problem sets for the second module of a major topic will involve more advanced problems. You will see problem sets involving table creation using the SQL create table statement, query formulation using SQL select statements, data modeling using entity relationship diagrams, and table design using conversion rules and column constraints. For problem sets involving the structured query language, SQL, you need to use a relational database management system. For this course, you can use Oracle, the leading commercial DBMS product, or MySQL, the leading open source DBMS product. You need both a client and a server component for your chosen DBMS. For example, if you use Oracle, you need to use the Oracle SQL Developer and the Oracle Database Server. There are multiple clients that can be used for either Oracle or MySQL, but I recommend that you use the standard clients associated with the database servers. The course website contains links for both Oracle and MySQL. In Course 3 of the specialization, you need to use Oracle, so I suggest that you use Oracle in Courses 1 and 2 if you can. If you have access to a remote Oracle server, such as through your employer, you are welcome to use it. For the data modeling part of the course, in Modules 6 to 9, you should use a drawing tool that supports entity relationship diagrams. The ER Assistant is a free tool that supports the notation presented in this course. The class website contains a link to the ER Assistant. It is easy to install and use. A video software demonstration is provided in the class website to help you use the ER Assistant. This course provides essential background on database management concepts and skills for the specialization on data warehousing for business intelligence. As this lesson indicates, the course topics emphasize detailed concepts and skills to prepare you for the other courses in the specialization. Most of your learning will occur through your work on problem sets, both ungraded and graded. Peer assessment of graded problem sets will extend your skill development through detection of errors and solutions of your cohorts. Your work in this course will provide a foundation for the start of your journey towards a challenging and rewarding career as a data warehouse or business intelligence professional.